Do your wrists ever feel tired before your workday's even halfway done? I work a lot in the computer. I spend so much time on my laptop, and I sometimes at the end of the day I don't realize how much strain I was dealing with until I switch things a bit. When the brand asked me to review this 3-in-1 ergonomic keyboard and mouse pad, I was just happy to oblige. The first thing I noticed was how everything just feels more supported. It's not just flat like other surfaces are. It's kind of like in an angled position right here. So this one supports your keyboard. Padded area right here supports your wrists. And the other thing that I like is the bumps right here. It felt uncomfortable, but later on, I realized that it kind of like massages my wrists. But when you're working for hours, you start to notice it. And it kind of helps because it keeps my wrists from feeling stiff and it doesn't get sweaty either. The material, it's super soft. When you put your hand or your wrist over it, it sinks slightly, but it still feels supportive after a full day of use. Plus, the surface, it's smooth, so it doesn't irritate your skin. So this wrist pad, it also has the bumps similar to the keyboard pad. Another thing that I like is that it has this um, anti-slip cover at the bottom, which is helping because when you're typing or you're moving your mouse a lot, this thing doesn't move around your table. So there's no constant adjusting, it just stay put. And I like that it's a full set for one for the mouse, one for the keyboard. It just makes long hours at the computer feel a lot more manageable. So when the brand asked me to review this, I said yes because I realized these are the most overlooked parts of my work area, but these are the most important ones.